Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel called FPL Gamer NRI. In this channel, we will be helping you to create a fantasy Premier League and becoming a football manager every week. Before that, let me explain about my channel. It's called FPL Gamer NRI. This channel is especially for the Premier League football lovers, and we will be becoming a football managers every week. So becoming like you will be managing a football team every week. So there are some rules and regulations in this Premier League, fantasy league. So before that, I will explain you how to create a fantasy league. So first, search in google.com fantasy Premier League. Then click this, the first link. Click this link. So this page will occur. So first there is an you need to create a team. So for creating a team, you need to have a user ID and a password. For that, you need to click this sign up page. Click the sign up page, and you need to enter all these asterisk required. You need to enter all these asterisk required documents. So first is the first name, then the last name, then your email address, then a password, okay, then all these things, then click next. Then after that, after you created a user ID password, you will be this page. So you click the user email address and password and click login. So basically this page will occur. In this, I will explain you how to create this a group of team. So basically, in this Premier League, we need a 200 £100 is the total money we have to create a group of this like how many people 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 members out of this £100. So basically we need 2 goalkeepers and 5 defenders, 5 midfielders and 3 forwards. Okay, we can first we have to create this many team members with this £100. So let me explain you how to. First you need to create a squad selection. So first I'll give you a basic tip because only one goalkeeper will be playing, and we can make a formation like 1 goalkeeper, 3 defenders, 5 midfielders, 2 forwards, or else you can make 1 goalkeeper, 4 defenders, 3 midfielders and 3 forwards. Okay, or else you can make 4 defenders, 5 midfielders and 1 forward. That you can create according to the fixture list for this year 2021. Okay, so basically if you talk to me how to create, I will create a goalkeeper who will a goalkeeper of high price and a goalkeeper of a low price, and 3 defenders of high price and 2 defenders of low price. And basically when you see about this trend in this last 2 to 3 years in the Premier League, basically the midfielders will be the scoring heavy, because basically when a defender when the defender score a goal, he will create 5 points. When a midfielder create goals also, he will create 5 points. But if when a forward scores a goal, he will get only 4 points, because the chance of this midfielder and forward midfield and defenders scoring a goal will be very less as compared to forward. You can create a group according to your choice. But if you are taking an advice from me, so I will say go for 5 defenders, 5 midfielders and 2 forwards. Okay, because the chance of scoring goals in Premier League, as you see about 2 to 3 years, is more in midfielders, because you can get more points. As well as for a midfielder, if your team if your team has a if your defender in that week has not allowed a score to go in, you will be getting 1 point for the clean sheet. As well as defenders, I think the defender will get 2 to 3 points for this clean sheet, but midfielder will get 1 point, but the forwards will not get any point for the clean sheet, but midfielder will get clean sheet point, as well as point for the goal scored, so bonus points. But if you talk to me, I will say go with all 5 midfielders and 2 forwards best, and 1 forward with less price. So let us make a group, make a team out of it. Okay, so first add goalkeepers. So we need to select a goalkeeper from here. So you need to see the fixture list also. Okay, so basically, if your team is not playing in this, if your interested team is not playing this week, you must think according to this. Okay, so first, if you see about the fixture list, so when I see, this Wolves has a good defender. Wolves has a good run out of Sheffield United. So if you check about the next also, you will get this. Okay, what you see the next is Leicester playing Burnley, and Wolves is playing Manchester City. So, and you can go for Leicester. I think Leicester will be good, because Leicester guys, he is playing West Brom the first week, and the second week he is playing Burnley. So chance of we will go for Schmeichel. So that's the goalie first I'm going to give here, 5.5. And the next goalkeeper, we will select only a 4 point, because I'm sure he will not play. So better we will go for this Aston Villa goalkeeper, Malan. So add this. So this is the second goalkeeper I'm going to choose. Now we need to select midfielder and defenders. So if you are taking my advice, I will select 2 to 3 important people who will be there in spite of their in spite of their money. So see, this Liverpool guy, Liverpool will be playing Fulham first. Liverpool will be playing Leeds in the first, as well as Chelsea in the second. So definitely Salah will be my option, as well as Arsenal. You see, Arsenal is playing Fulham, and Arsenal is playing who is Arsenal playing as West Ham. So I recommend you to go to Aubameyang. So see, our point now, our money remaining 56.5. We need to choose this many people balance. So I will say we will select Virgil van Dijk, because I know Liverpool win the champions last time with the help of Van Dijk, Alexander and Robertson, right? So we must select these 2 people, but let us select Van Dijk first. Okay, and also you must see this Leicester is having to play first week with West Brom, as well as Leicester Burnley. So I think you can search Soyuncu. Soyuncu also is very good in selecting that people, Soyuncu, because this guy is very Leicester. Before this coronavirus restart of the season, Leicester was defending was very good. That Soyuncu was the main guy on that defending thing. So definitely we must go to Soyuncu, and then Son, because if you see Tottenham, has Everton as well as Tottenham has Southampton. So you must select Son. I think Son is the first top player scored guy was Michael. Our Tottenham forward Harry Kane, and secondly was Son. So go to Son, and now 45.5 balance. So now we must go to forward. I'm thinking of forward whether to go with Vardy or the new what is his name? New Chelsea guy Werner, 9.5. If you see about the fixture list, what you can say, Leicester is playing West Brom and Chelsea is playing Brighton. So, and also in the you must always check to the second game week also. Second game week is Leicester is playing Burnley and Chelsea is playing Liverpool. So the chance of Werner scoring the second place game is less as compared to Vardy. So before that, I need to tell you're thinking why I'm not selecting Manchester City players as well as Man U players, because they have a blank game week in this first week of this Premier League. Starting is on September 12th. Basically, so they are not playing. So we are not able to select the Manchester City and Manchester United players. So that's the reason I'm not selecting any Manchester City or Manchester United players. So before I have to tell you once again, I am a big Manchester United fan. I am supporting Manchester United fan for like can say 10 years. So I am a Manchester United fan. Since they are not Manchester City and Manchester United players are not playing, I have a blank weekend this week. So I'm not selecting these guys. So and also I forgot to tell one thing. This game week deadline is September 12th, 14. So this is the UAE time. So 1 hour before the kickoff is you will not able to you will not be 1.5 hours. Now this year they have extended 30 more minutes. So 1.5 hours before the kickoff time, wherever you are in UK, US, or anywhere in the world, in India, UAE, anywhere in the world, you must select your team 1.5 hours before the kickoff. After that, you will not be able to select your team from that week. So you must be careful with your guys. So that's the reason, as you said, since the Manchester City and Manchester United players have blank weekend, I'm not able to select. And also, who the players, which team? Aston Villa players, and as well as Burnley. These two club also does have a blank weekend because Manchester City was playing Aston Villa and Man United were playing Burnley on this first weekend, and this was postponed because of this Manchester United and Manchester players were involved in this European League, Champions League and European League respectively. So that's the reason they were being removed, given 1 week off. So the teams that are playing on the teams was scheduled to play Manchester City and Manchester United were also given a week off. So they will play next week, and that is on the September 19th. And also you must think we have basically when you select a group, there will be a free shift of one free player we can change in the next week. There is only one free player, and there are 3 more different rules. Like that is that I will tell you in the next week. So first we will select this. We'll complete the selection. So now I think we'll focus on defenders. So since I'll select this guy also. What is this body. So basically, when you're selecting a group, first select the important players which you like. Now this remaining is 35.5. After now you can select the people according to the remaining money you have. So first my preference is that I will select all the important people that I think they will score. So that's the reason I want to select these people first, and then we can select the people with the money we have. Okay, so now defenders are done. Goalkeepers are done. Now we'll go for defenders. Defenders, I think last season Sheffield United were playing very good with the defenders. So they have a very good clean sheet. So I will select Egan from the Sheffield United. Then definitely, you guys, if you are playing this fantasy league for very long season, you can give me a suggestion in this your video also. So before that, I will select a one. So I think these three people will be my main defenders. These two defenders I will select very less value, because I will not I don't want to add this I will not play this basically I will not play this 5 defenders or 4 defenders. I will play only 3 defenders. So these 2 defenders I will choose only having less money. £4 is the least amount, so I will select the 4. Now the 5 defenders are finished. Now we need to select 4 more people out of the remaining 22.5. So what I think better we will select, this Chelsea has a good chance of scoring because of Brighton, as well as next is Liverpool. So that's the Liverpool is a concern. So I don't know, Arsenal midfield doesn't have any guys who are scoring midfielders apart from this Villa and Pepe. I don't know, Pepe is costly also. So in my mind I have selected one guy. His name is Mason Mount. He was very good last season. You cannot say he was very good throughout the season. He was playing good, 2-3 matches he was playing good. Then he will not play that much. So in spite of this, I will select because I want this team to be a mix of people. Basically, if Man United were playing and Man City was playing, De Bruyne will be there, and Greenwood will be there, and forward Martial will be there. But since these guys are not playing, I will not be able to pick these guys. So before that, now we have only £15.5 or three more people we need to select, one midfielder and 2 forwards. So I will go for forwards. So basically, if you want to take my opinion, I want you to create a group. Don't want to concentrate only on defenders. So first create a group of people which you like. But anyway, if you like the people, that guys will be having much more points, much more money. And also much more money means they have a good points of scoring. So Aubameyang was playing forward last season. Now he was playing main defenders. So he will definitely score. He is the main top scorer of Arsenal, as well as Salah. So and Son also. So definitely we must select these 3 guys. So now going to the forwards, 15.5. If you select Kane and all, you will be gone. Because if you select Kane, now see, we have only 5 remaining. 5 you cannot select these 2 because you will not be able to create a group. So what I say, go to a list of 4.5 for one forward, because definitely I will be playing 3-5-2. So this forward will not be a play for me more often. Now we have 11 point. 11 point. We can choose either 6 or 1 with 6 pound midfielder and 5 pound forward, or a 6 pound forward or 5 pound midfielder. So first I will go to forward and make a 6 test 6 of 6 pound Crystal Palace, even Southampton. I don't think the Crystal Palace is good forward. I don't know who to select this is. Guys, if you have any suggestion, please suggest me in my comment box. That will be helpful for me. Iheanacho, that's a good option. Iheanacho, I don't know whether this Leicester will be playing Iheanacho and Vardy the same team, because Vardy will be always the first choice, then the Iheanacho. So I think what I will do, I will go first. I will select midfielder. See, first I will select midfielder of 6. Last season, Lundstrom was selected as a defender, and he played most of the games at the midfield. So that's the reason he was getting this much points. So I don't know. This year, McBurnie is a good choice, but Burnley doesn't score. But also Burnley is not have a blank season this week. So my point, Manchester City also not the other have chosen this. Ruben Neves is a good option. Okay, Ruben Neves is a good option. So because Wolves is against Sheffield and Manchester City, that's another also like Aston Villa. Sheffield United to Aston Villa, and Sheffield United playing this Wolves first week. So forward, so I will first select forward is McBurnie. McBurnie will definitely start for. McBurnie will start for this. This I will go for this. 6. Now 5 remaining. So we will select midfielders of 5. 5. See. Okay. So I think the only option mobile West Ham United. I don't know West Ham United Newcastle. That's a good option, but secondly very Arsenal. So I'm confused with Dendoncker and guys. So guys, what I will select, I don't know which players to select, because West Ham is playing Newcastle first week and Arsenal second week. Then down the Sheffield United and Manchester City. So I think I will go for Declan Rice, because this guy has think good in the forward also. So this is money remaining 0. We have selected 2 forwards, 2 defenders, 2 goalkeepers, 5 defenders, 5 midfielders, and 3 forwards. And all this team is under 100 pounds. You can select different players according to your choice, but all basically it should be 100 pound value. Okay, so this is my team. So after selection of team, next enter the click enter squad. See, there is also an option if you don't know that much about other people. There is an option called auto pick. Before selecting each players one by one, there is an option. Since I selected, the option is gone. If you didn't know to select, or if you don't have to select the team, you can just select auto pick. Then all the players will be selected according to the committee choice. After that, enter squad. So team name, I am going to select FPL Gamer NRI. You must select a choose club, since all the supporters of other clubs. I'm a big Manchester United fan, so I definitely need to select Manchester United. Sorry for that. But since you can select the choice of your club, then enter squad. So your team, see now how it will come. It will come one goalkeeper and 4 defenders, 4 midfielders, and 2 forwards. Since this guy is not playing a blank week, this guy is saying 0. So what I will, I will move this guy, David, and this guy, and I don't want to play 4 defenders. So see Chelsea, definitely I will remove one and I will add Declan Rice to this. So this is my team: Sheffield, Leicester of Schmeichel of Leicester, goalkeeper Van Dijk of Liverpool, Soyuncu of Leicester, Egan of Sheffield United, Declan Rice of West Ham United, Salah of Liverpool, Aubameyang of Arsenal, Son of Tottenham Hotspur playing Everton, Mount of Chelsea, Vardy of West Brom, and McBurney of Wolves. Basically, after that, you must set a captain and a vice captain. If you set a captain, you must captain will be getting a bonus point. So first you play. If you save your team will be saved for this week, and you cannot make any changes. And after this week, the second week comes, there is an option you can play bench boost, because you can boost your bench and also become triple captain. This is only for it will be allowed only for one time for all the 38 games, and one bench boost in all 38 games. So you must select this bench boost and triple captain very carefully. So this first time don't select any of this. We will see these 2-3 games, then we can see how the players are playing. Now we don't know how these players will be adapted to the new season. So there is a lot of changes of players here and there. So don't select this bench boost and triple captain in the first 2-3 game week. Let us see how the players are performing. Then after that we will decide. So I think I will go for Vardy as captain. I don't know Vardy, how Aubameyang definitely Fulham will score heavy. So I will make him captain, and I will make this Vardy as a vice captain. I'm sure Aubameyang will score, so definitely he will be captain, and also he's against the Fulham, is a new promoted team. Same as well as Vardy is a promoted team of West Brom. So I think, but Aubameyang has a good chance of scoring, so I will make him as captain. I will not use triple captain bench boost this week. I will wait for 2-3 weeks and I will see how these players are performing. Then only I will make a team. Let's see. Total players are playing 2-2-2-9, 3-4-7. Since I am saving your team, then team is saved. Then we cannot. Your team has been saved, and that's the end of the team saving in this first week. Guys, if you have any doubt, you can message in the comment column. I will help you with that doubt. After that, team everything is done. Now we have to wait after September 12th is the first game week of the Premier League. So we have to wait. And also, guys, basically, if you want to select your team, I will recommend you to wait until all the managers have done the press conference. From that press conference, you will be able to know some guys will be injured during the training, some guys maybe will not be fit. So he will give a clear more idea than this event, and also that FPL team. This team will be saying the team that the players are fit. So how many possibility of their playing, and also first we have to wait. I think 3-4 hours before choosing a game. The maximum time is only 1.5 hours you must select. After that they will be locked. So after that you will not be able to select your team. So this is how you will be able to select your team for the Fantasy Premier League. If you have any doubt, you can message me in the comment box. Hopefully I will able to clear you all my doubts. Thank you for the video. Finally, I want to tell you one thing. Please like my video. Please subscribe my channel.